Is your home's first line of defense letting you down? For over 30 years, Williamsburg homeowners have discovered their solution with one name, Woodall Roofing. From historic slate masterpieces to modern metal systems, our expert craftsmen have elevated Roofing Williamsburg VA standards since 1989. Every project, whether in the Meadows, Druid Hills, or throughout our community, receives the personal attention of owner Robert Woodall himself. When storms strike, we respond. When leaks threaten, we solve. When businesses need protection, we deliver commercial solutions built to last. Our approach isn't just about installing shingles. It's about creating peace of mind that stays long after we've packed up our tools. That's why we back every project with an industry-leading 4-year labor warranty, 4 times longer than the standard guarantee. Because in Williamsburg's unpredictable weather, you deserve certainty. Don't trust your home to just anyone. Experience what 3 decades of roofing excellence feels like. Woodall Roofing, where Williamsburg VA roofing craftsmanship meets family values. Call today for your free detailed estimate.